Break 19 for a radio check.
Alright. Mike, check. I got you on the Flying J. I hear you pretty good.
10-4 down by the Flying J. I'm up by exit 349 up North Ogden, 10-4. Off Interstate 15. What's the reading over there? You're blowing about 40 to 30 pounds over here.
You was hitting me at about 5 decibels.
10-4, what kind of radio are you on? What kind of mobile radio are you on? You sound really loud and clear, and you sound quite good over here.
It's a Galaxy DX94 high power.
Oh, yeah, those are the good radios. Yeah, I know those are, the Galaxy radios with the green displays, with the meter on it. Yeah, I know what they are. They've actually been around since the early 90s, 10-4.
Yep, I had 98 VHP, and I got this one. I got a bunch of strikes. I love the radio.
Alright, 10-4 on that. Appreciate the radio check. You have a wonderful day out there, and just drive safe out there. A while ago, we had some snow flurries up in this area, 10-4. And I'm going to catch on out of here. I'm going to catch you guys later. I'm backing on out of here. Thanks for the radio check. Just want to see how the things are working on here, 10-4.
Alright, man. Happy trails. Loud as hell with a little bit, teensy bit too much echo. That's it right there. What is that, 955? Damn, that thing's swinging for a 33. That's what I thought he has. Though, you talking on? You're almost as loud as he was. He seemed like just a little bit louder than you. Is that the HPC big radio or the HPC 2, the little teeny tiny one that does about 130 watts? Yeah, I got one of them at home, man. I also had the HPC 2. It was a little teeny tiny one about the size of a 25 Cobra, but it was a bad motherfucker. I'm sure there's other mountain options. I'm sitting here in the 389. I got mine mounted underneath the cubby hole. I mean, if you wanted to, you could run a radio the size of a VCR. You just got to find a place to put it. Yeah, I appreciate you, man. I got one at home, and I was kind of half-assed thinking about getting rid of this one. I'm becoming not so much of a Galaxy fan. I got this one directly from Galaxy in California. They peaked it, tuned it, converted it, and sent it to me. '94 high power. They got like the VHP. That's the big radio for Galaxy, and then the 94 is the one underneath that. It's got like a linear on the bottom, linear on the back, but it's probably only doing about 150 watts. Well, I don't know, man. Yours comes out the box at about 50 watts. After they peak it and tune it, do whatever to it, who knows, man? It can be just about anything. I don't think you got screwed. You got a great sounding radio over there, man. You probably put about, what, 300 down on it? 250, 300? It seemed like radio's been coming back. I was like kicking it with people all over the place. Out in Alabama and Wyoming and Nebraska. I don't know, been helping out. I've been finding out where cops are at and everything, just like it's the old days or something. Yep. Hell, I'll tell you the truth, man. I really don't even drive truck anymore. I had an open truck and I jumped in it. It's my show truck, and I had to go on out to Alabama and grab a new trailer. I picked that up, loaded it, brought it back here. I got here a day early because I was running from that storm, and they won't unload me, so here I sit till tomorrow. Man, I bet you can make Oklahoma City. I got a driver right now. I can check him on E-Log, see how fast he's going. But he's on 6 at 191, and you can kind of bounce out that way and work your way over there. Get on 70 and ride. I don't know. I think it's all north of him. The big storms are all through Wyoming and Nebraska, and I think it's passed up Colorado by now. Man, later on tonight, let's go set a trash can on fire. We'll sit down and do some drinking or something. It ain't that far that old, and it ain't too late to bring them back, really, man. You got a few like-minded individuals and shit. We'll just go out and have some fun. Fuck, cops come, we'll run. You go back flying out the damn cover and sit there drinking your damn beer. Now that's just your fault. Yeah, back years ago, they were alright. Not today. You just gotta tell them, hey, look, man, is that a rabbit? That is a rabbit, ain't it? When they look, you just gotta take the fuck off and start running. You're right, man. When I was a little kid, I used to take the police on a triathlon about once a week, man. But nowadays, they probably would just kill me. We used to ride down that ditch there when somebody stopped somewhere. They kicked me and done something somewhere there. Get so much to go. I get a radio call? Yeah, that's a good old day. Mike, check. I got you from the Flying J, but you sound like you're way out there. Sound pretty good. Stock radio seems like. I just don't know what it is right now. Which one of y'all got that red and black flat top in the middle row?